Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have an in the post, and this is in the post number 73. 73. Firstly, we have some stamps, mainly from the Isle of Man. A Christmas one, a wildlife one, a fauna one, and one of the Princess of Wales. Next we have a blue card. This came with the £2 coin I'll be showing shortly. It's a Britannia, £2. I don't need it, I only need 3 for the set, which is the 3 sporting ones. Or 3 of the 4 sporting ones I need. I need the Northern Ireland Commonwealth Games from 2002. I need the 2008 centenary of the Olympics, and I need the 2012 London Rio handover. So that's a spare one. If people do need spares for either the £2 set or the 50p sets, I do have plenty of spares for both of them now. So hit me up, and if I can help you out, I will do. This was a coin that the change checker card came with. It's the latest one. It's the first of the £2 coins from the annual set, and this is the is it the Portrait Gallery? No, it's the National Gallery, not the Portrait Gallery. Like a lot of coins depicting buildings, trying to depict something that is actually a 3D object into a 2D coin doesn't always work. This one's okay, but it's not brilliant. The Buckingham Palace one was okay again, but it wasn't brilliant. I don't know, unless they can do something extra or produce something that's a little bit different, something to do with the gallery rather than the facade of the gallery, then that would be possibly a better use of the coin. However, I will do a full review on that coin when we do the review. Then we have the coloured Diplodocus coin. I have the Diplodocus coin, and I also have the blue cards as well. When I do this review, I will be doing one of the first aid covers from what year was it? Let's think, 1991. The National History Museum and the Royal Mail got together and did a set of skeletal dinosaurs, and I will be showing that off at the same time as I'm showing this colour Diplodocus off. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of coins. These coins, well, they're not actually coins, they're tokens, and they were sent to me by a gentleman called Captain Coinman. I think he's a gentleman anyway. I don't actually know his first name, I just know him as Captain Coinman. He's been very generous again, and he's given me enough tokens here to make up 5 bags of tokens, which will give me 5 videos of tokens. Which is unbelievable of him, and I thank him greatly for what he's just done. And the final 2 things was he's noticed that I have been showing off or shown just recently some coins that are from Vatican City and show popes, or are in periods of certain popes, not necessarily with the portraits, but he sent me 2 more here to add to my collection, which I'm extremely grateful for. So thank you very much for that as well. And I will be doing a video on those 2 coins after I've done some research. Now the last one, I showed one that was a similar, I'm not sure if it's the same year or not. And it shows Victoria's family. It goes from the right here with Victoria, and then it goes to her son Edward VII, his son George V, his son David. I say David because David was later known as Edward VIII, and of course Edward VIII did not accede to the throne. He was named as a king, but he gave up that right to marry Wallis Simpson. As I said when I showed a version of the coin that I actually got from eBay of this particular thing, it reminds me a little bit about the £5 coin that the late Queen Elizabeth did with herself, Charles, William and George, and it had the 4 initials on. So again, I'll be doing that, as I'll do both of them together because I think there might be different years, possibly. However, that's all there is for this in the post. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Also, I do a minimum of 5 videos, usually 6 videos a week. Hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching, and if you haven't already done so, could you please think about subscribing? Only if you think I deserve it. I'm currently trying to get to my new subscriber target I set for myself at the end of last year of 425 subscribers. At the moment I'm on 301 and we're around, let me just check my diary. I am on Thursday the 2nd of May. So if you can help me out by subscribing, if you believe I deserve it, I'll be very grateful. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.